Hello everybody, how are you? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got my goodies in that I bought from Crafts by Tereasa when she had her sale. And yes, ladies, I get to see stuff before she has her sale. So, this was one item she had together, and it was the eyeball stamps. I think they're cool. I can't wait to stamp them out. I do have a phobia of eyes. I don't like people looking in your eyes. Don't ask to look in your eye. But me coloring eyes, I have no problem. And that's from childhood trauma. You have 7, 8 surgeries total on your eyes. You would have that too. So that, I got them. And then this, and I'll have to ask her correctly because I don't quite remember if she made these inks that she like with some other things or what exactly, or these were like little Jane Davenport inks. I'll have to ask her, but I thought they were cool. They came together and you got this pretty like in the shimmery pink. There's like a shimmer to it, and then we have like a turquoise or aqua. Should get up. Yeah, I'm gonna play with them here in a minute. We have like a purple and a shimmer. See the shimmer? Is that cool? And then we have a blue. I don't know if they're like a watercolor, and here's like another pink or like a red tone. Look at the shimmer in there. I shake them real good. And then this is like iridescent or a white. I don't know how you say that word, so but I can tell we are gonna have to shake them. So we got that, and then she had these, and they hold washi. I've always wondered if I would like them, and I've come to realize I have a little suitcase. You know, remember years ago your grandparents' suitcases where you got like a medium, large, and then you got like the makeup case. I have one chock full of washi tape. And I've been pulling out of it randomly because I don't use a lot of washi, so I don't really buy washi that much anymore. I take that back. I just bought Van Gogh washi, but it was Van Gogh. But other than that, I rarely buy washi. I pulled them out like last week for something, and it's this one I got where I could peel it, but they weren't peeling. I couldn't get it. They were sticking like layers together. So I guess after a while, they're no good. So, I'm going to put my Delusion and my Van Gogh on this. On those. That's where that's going. And then she had a Jane Davenport paper. And I have this, but I wanted another one. So I like the images. I can... That's cool. She said she only been not too many people missing out here. I only think there was only one that noticed. I wasn't worried about it anyways. I never. You go to buy people's paper. Expect 1 or 2 missing. Let's see here. Look. Yeah. So, and she told me that, so I wasn't worried. So I got that. And then look at this awesome tag, guys. Love how she did this. I love this. It's like a, I don't know if it's vinyl or not vinyl. Vellum. But look at that. Isn't that cool? And then all her purple, her greens and purples and black. And it says, your life is not yours if you worry what others think. Very true. Isn't that cool? Then there's a note on the back. It says, Dear Tina, the chat and I want you to have this tag because we all feel bad that you didn't get the Art by Marlene paint today like I did. Crafts by Tereasa, December 22, 2022. She must have made the tag in 2022 because that only happened last week. And Tereasa bought the Art by Marlene paint, and yeah, it's nice paint, but for what the price is crazy. She even agrees with me after she got it. I mean, the tubes are only like that big. And I could tell the difference. So I really wanted the neon paint set of hers. And I thought, well, if I got the extra money, I'll get the other ones. Well, so that's what I got, guys. Teresa goes through stuff off and on, and she'll have stuff destashed. But I think she said she thought she was done, but she discovered more stuff. I think she told me, but I'm not for sure. So I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.